Hey guys, it's Jake with the Buckeye Bushcraft channel, back here again with another video. And what I want to talk about today is what I carry for fire starting inside of my kit. I like to switch kits out pretty often, but as far as fire starting goes, this is the mainstay for the most part. Now keep in mind, I don't carry a whole lot of commercial tinder just because the items inside of my kit are so versatile that I could actually use some for tinder if I absolutely needed to. So this is what I carry inside of my kit for fire starting now. I pretty much dumbed it down to just the basics. So obviously I carry a compass with me all the time. The compass has I think this is a 5-power magnification lens, so this will ignite char material and also some natural material. So, and I like to have 3 ignition sources, and the sun is also a renewable resource, so I can do a solar fire anytime it's sunny outside, and it doesn't expend any of my resources. Next, I have a Bic lighter. I typically keep one inside of my pocket and also one in my pack. A Bic lighter is going to be my first choice all day, every day. And also it gives you an instant gratification with flame. Next, I switch in and out between 2 different ferro rods. I've got a real big, long 6-inch ferrocerium rod. It's a super soft rod that I use with the back of my knife. Works very well. And I also use this rod right here. And I like this because if you had none of this, this is almost just an all-inclusive fire kit for the most part. So I've got duct tape taped on both sides of this, which can be used as a fire starter. And on the inside, it has a pretty thick ferrocerium rod with a built-in striker in the event that you did not have a striker. And then on the back, it also has this housing case that can house waterproof tinder. And here I've got 2 mini Infernos. I could split both of these in half and have enough for 4 fires. So that is basically an all-inclusive fire kit in itself. So these are the 2 rods that I switch in and out for my kit. Again, this is a 6-inch by 1/2-inch ferrocerium rod. It's got duct tape for the handle, so I can use it for a fire starter. And then this is the Strike Force, and like I said, I consider this almost an all-inclusive fire kit. So I go back and forth quite a bit between these 2, just kind of depending on what mood I'm in. Next, this is an item that I carry in my kit, duct tape. Obviously, duct tape can be used for anything. It could be used as a fire starter, obviously gear repair. I've used it as an adhesive, almost like a glue, to repair a busted coolant tank on one of the tractors, and I'll put a picture of that up right here. So duct tape is a very good fire starter. I don't really carry a whole lot of commercial tinder because I do have duct tape, and it burns very hot and it burns for a very long time. You can actually use your ferrocerium rod and or your Bic lighter to ignite this duct tape. Alrighty guys, well, I'm Jake with the Buckeye Bushcraft channel. Appreciate you guys watching this real short video on the fire kit that I carry. This is pretty much all I carry all the time. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Buckeye_Bushcraft, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.